You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in, because we're going to take a close look at the clever MeWe. Yeah, right. Trademark, my ass, of course. The console gaming system with wireless move controllers and HDMI 32-bit power. Now we're playing with real fake power, my friends. HD 720p, so I think this time they are just going to be honest with us, like mostly going to put on 4K 1080p, blah 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 blah. But this time they just be honest with saying, hey, we're going to get HD 720p signal output. Beside the functionalities, oh boy, we're also going to get like different games. This time we're going to get 23 sport games, 26 puzzle games, and 501 classic games. Oh boy. The question remains, are they being naughty like 8-bit stuff? Or are like 501 of these freaking shitty games? Unique gaming experience, swimming, throwing javelin, canoe slalom, fencing, basketball, 100-meter running, Fruit Master. Oh, this is really cool. But I like Fruit Master is most of the time pretty awesome if you're having like a touchscreen. Oh, ping pong, tennis, happy. Oh man, this is going to be like a freaking nightmare. Poke Bubble. But let's take a close look at the size itself and what you're going to get in the end. Oh, this time we're going to get like a deluxe toilet paper manual. So basically an explanation how you need to connect it, how you need to set it up. Okay. So this is the system itself, the Sport. There is no, of course, SD card or whatever. It's just a sticker at the front. Let's see, we're having a TF card slot. That is interesting. On and off switch. HDMI input for the Type-C connection. That's interesting. We're also going to open it up, of course, because I wanted to see what's inside. 2 fake knockoff controllers. The strap thing is on the controller itself. Works on 2 AAA freaking batteries. I'm curious how this move stuff will work. Here we're having like the horrible D-pad. It feels really slimsy. Seems we're having a reset button over here. HDMI cable, and of course the Type-C. There is no power supply, so I'm guessing I need to get myself an 5-volt power supply. Oh yeah, here it says 5-volt power supply. Okay, now I know for sure, otherwise I'm going to fry the freaking mainboard. That would not be the first time. Oh, okay, so everything has been connected. This bloody thing doesn't weigh anything, so it will not keep the normal position. At least to put something like a piece of metal at the bottom so it stays up. Oh boy. Okay, let's power it on. There was a switch at the back. Let's see if we're going to get any signal. The controller has been powered on with a battery. Oh, controls seem to be working. So we're having here some menus. So let's take a close look at it. Oh yeah, what a smooth music. Okay, so we're now in the game center. Really exciting. We're going to get motion games, puzzle, casual games, and classic games. Okay, so let's do a quick overview of all the stuff. Motion games. Bowling. Oh crap. I've seen a couple of these games, and I can say that were not a good experience in the previous fake Wii's. Puzzle, casual games. But classic games. Okay. This music, man. What were they thinking? Look at this! It's filled up! Oh boy, they are freaking naughty. Oh, there are not a lot. I think there are a lot of homebrew games on too. Okay, so we're going to try some NES games. I was not surprised that there were these games on it, seriously. Okay, so first of all, let's try the motion sport games, because I'm curious. Does it work? Let's go! Happy Trampoline. Okay. Yeah, whatever, just choose the guy. But how does this actually work?
Ready? Go!
Can we move? Oh, we need to do it like this. Okay, so you have movements. Oh, you need to press the fucking buttons or what? Oh, seriously? Oh crap, no, no, no. It's like a rhythm game. Woo! Can I take you for a ride? Da-da-da-da. Perfect, come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah! Okay, next game. Oh, what a relaxing tune they have with these games. Okay. I'm not going to play like the freaking old man. I want to be Charles. Yeah, let me guess. You need to move like this. Yeah, but what then? You just seriously, you just need to press a button or what? That is fucking cheapo. Oh wait. So that's the freaking... That's the fucking movement that you need to do it. You're just doing exactly the same thing. Okay, wow. Seriously? There is no shame, don't it? Like they just ripped the Fruit Master music. But how does this work, man? Time mode. Yeah, and then, what do you need to do? What? Oh, you just do something like that, more like... No, don't slice. It automatically like chooses the location. Whoa, whoa. Okay, it's kind of funny. Oh crap, I missed it out. Okay. Oh, just going. Normally it's just game over, but with this game it's like minus 20 points or something like that, 200 points. Yeah. See, it works like that too. Woo! Woo! Oh, that's up. Let's try the puzzle games. Just to only Dream of Gems. I think it will be like a rip-off or something. Press start. Play one. Oh, you do press start twice. Okay, let's get ready. I think we'll just lose it like navigation this way. Yep, absolutely like this is the way how it goes. Okay, press the button to lower it quickly. Oh man, already? There's no purple. So with the puzzle games, you don't have any movement so far. I know it's just purely like using the D-pad. Cheapos. Alright, so next up, let's try some NES games. I'm just so curious how bad or good these are. Sonic Blast, let's choose this game. And with the NES, you just need to reset it with the tiny reset button. Oh boy, that is really bad. Why? Why did they choose so many of these crappy games? Oh, I'm going to find myself. Oh, just great. I don't know if you've ever seen this game before, but this game is really horrible. And the CPU is always doing these weird moves and I have no idea how to do that. How can you do a Shoryuken or another weird thing? Oh, you can do. You just spam the shit out of it. Oh, just spam the shit out of it. That works like a charm. What are you doing? Bunny hopping, baby. Oh yeah. Next. Oh, by the way, the music goes like 2 times the settings when it comes to the loudness. Oh, but you can see like this game sounds horrible. It's really choppy emulation. The controls have a freaking awful input lag. So when it comes to the NES part, even this part sucks. I can't take it anymore. Okay, before we're closing this review of this shit show they call a fake Wii, let's open it up. Oh man, I just want to see what's inside this thing. I think if we're going to open it up eventually, like we're going to laugh our asses off, because this is going to be like the tiny PCB inside, or it's just a freaking horrible disaster with these things. Okay, screw number 4. Oh, they did screw this thing back together very well. Can I just lift it open, or is the wait, I need, oh shit. Oh, the thing is like this sticker like keeps these shells together, and the same goes with this. Oh man. The only thing I can do is like, I need to remove one of those. Oh shit, this is not good. Oh, already something fall off. Oh crap, that is my what is it, a reset button or something? So with a very small screwdriver I try to lift the sticker itself. Yeah, I can cut it, but I don't want to. I'm using these nice stickers. Okay, let's remove this one. I can basically stick it back. See, that's the thing I wanted to do. Oh, yeah, that's the thing I wanted to do. So we can check it out. Hey, look at this. There is a CF card in this machine. That is interesting. 4 gigabytes. And I would not be surprised that the NES games will be on here. So yeah, my wicked family. So this is what you're going to get. It's just a freaking empty shell, man. Okay, is this thing... Yeah, this thing has been screwed with a couple of screws over here. Oh, and there too. But you can already see like there is no information on the chip whatsoever. So it's pretty damn pointless. So if you want to replace the games, I would not be surprised if you can do it by this. But the second SD card slot does not make any sense whatsoever. So yeah, that's the reason why it also didn't want to basically stand on its position, because there is no weight whatsoever. It's just a cheap shell with 2 freaking horrible stickers on it and a freaking PCB that is super tiny. So guys, so this Sport Clever Me Wii, the reason I just ordered it, because here on the channel I love to review really old, but also like new crappy stuff. And I was surprised, one of the Wicked family members pointed this to me out. I thank you for this, because I completely missed it out on AliExpress. But it is more like, I have no idea why they should make it or sell it in 2021. Let's be honest, an original Wii, they are dirty cheap now. They are way better. They are like the real motion stuff. This is just one freaking joke. It's a horrible piece of plastic with a tiny PCB inside. The emulation of the NES, that was pretty cool in my opinion, doesn't even work that well. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become one of the Wicked family. It would be great to have you here, because we're going to review more of these crappy products. Absolutely, because I love crappy products, to check it out. And to just warn you out. And it would be great to see you in the next video. And don't forget, hit that little bell, because otherwise you don't get the message of the Wicked.